Good evening, YouTube. Light Unleashed back at you from right here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel. It has indeed been several weeks since we brought you guys our last video update on Little Creek Homestead and what our dear friend Vicki is growing right here in our garden. So we thought we'd take this moment to give you a quick peek at what's going on in her planter and how well or not well her plants are doing. Take a look at this, YouTube. If you recall from our earlier video on this planter, you know that we planted both Vidalia onions and red beets in this planter. And you also may recall that we had some issues with our beets. Our beets gave us a fit in germinating, but we finally did get those beets to germinate. And just take a look, YouTube. You guys see those onions? We thought we would have to come through and do a major thinning on our onions, but as most of you guys have probably heard at some point in your life, only the strong survives. And what happened was the stronger, more vigorous onion plants in this planter actually weeded out the smaller, thinner, less vigorous plants, and those plants all died. So what we were left with here is about 20 to maybe 25 sweet Vidalia onion plants here in this planter. But take a look at our beets over here. If you guys recall, we had some issues with our beets germinating, and I tell you what, we almost gave up on our beets. But just take a look at what's going on right now with Vicki from Little Creek Homestead and her beets right here in our front yard garden extended growing area. You guys see that? Those beets are really doing their thing. If you recall from our previous videos, we have several different sizes of plants in this planter. That's because we sowed this bed with beet seeds 3 times before we actually got a full row of beets in this front row and a full row of beets in that back row back there. So we have beet plants at 3 different stages of development in this planter. We're not really concerned about that. They will all get eaten as they do grow to full maturity. But at any rate, that's exactly what's going on with our dear friend Vicki over at Little Creek Homestead and her planter. We're right here in our front yard garden extended grow area. Vicki, we really appreciate you and all of the support you've given us throughout the grow season this year so far. And we look forward to showing you that same support the rest of this year and in the years to come, Vicki. Thanks. If you're currently watching this video, you're not already subscribed to the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, please take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and please share this video with your friends and family if you don't mind. And if you're not currently already subscribed to Vicki's channel, Little Creek Homestead up there in Pomona, Missouri, click on that link at the top of this video and jump over to her channel and see what she's growing in her garden there.
the miles. Wonder if you dream of me. Wonder if you feel the same.